Grandma's got Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! It's a little frosty.
Snow. I'm like, oh, like Christmas.
Yeah. Give her the key, Mom. Huh? Give her the key.
Give her the
Did you
key.
leave the key at home? Oh. I have an extra.
We gotta find it.
Do you want me to go get the extra?
Yeah. Oh, honey, I've been so nervous. Why were you nervous? Huh? Why were you nervous?
Oh, just, yeah, I mean, excited and scared and,
Scared?
yeah. It is an absolute thing. It is. The real key has a fob on it.
Yes.
Do it mechanically.
Come get a film, Amanda. The doors are locked.
Yeah. Here, I must have it in here. Yeah.
She's got the key. Did you press the button?
I don't think the town I don't think our neighborhood's gonna like us for a while.
Oh my god.
Okay. Whoa, it's like all in one.
Yeah, so the buttons are right. The buttons are right on here.
Okay. Let's see. Will it like not go off? There we go. Do you want to sit in it?
Yes. Michelin tires.
Get in there.
It is beautiful.
It is.
Yeah. Good.